Now let's take a look at example number 2. First part says, complete the model below by using the ratio from example 1, part B. Example 1, part B, remember, talked about doing 5 laps in 4 minutes. So the ratio that's associated with that would be 5 to 4. I'm going to write it as a ratio. The unit rate, if you can remember from example 1, and as a matter of fact we can look back, I still have it. The unit rate is what I had circled here. 5/4. 5/4 is the unit rate. And then if we put it all together as a rate, we put the unit rate, 5/4, together with the rate unit, which was laps per minute. Now, if you think about this, if you go back to the ratio, since we've studied ratios, think about what the ratio means. We talked about ratio language before. When we did, we used the words for every. Okay? So we might think of it as for every 5 laps, 4 minutes go by. Or we might say it takes 5 laps for every 4 minutes of running. Okay? That's going to be very important to our next examples, to think about what the ratio and the unit rate and the rate mean. The second part, this is on your next page. It says complete the model below, now using the rate listed below. But this time they give us the rate over here. And we have to remember that a rate is made up of 2 parts. The unit rate and the rate unit. The unit rate tells us how much for 1, so we're going 6 feet in 1 second. And then the rate unit is what we're measuring in, feet per second, 2 parts. Well, that makes it easy for this middle one here. The unit rate is what we had circled, 6. What ratio would it be associated with that? If we're going 6 feet for every 1 second, that means the ratio is 6 to 1. We would think of that as 6 feet for every 1 second.